Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Life of Black Lotus Glow. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Tanya and I love plants, all things plants, indoor, outdoor, skincare, all the things. But anyway, this video today is going to be about a plant of the week. Now, a couple of videos back, I'm not sure which order y'all seeing this in, but I did talk about if you guys are just starting out in the plant collecting space as a hobby, that to not overlook your grocery stores. They tend to have plants, y'all, and they have them at a very discounted price that you will see versus going to the nurseries. And I know some people they only buy their plants at nurseries or of the like, and that's fine, to each his own. I'm just one of those people. I'm buying a plant wherever a plant is at. So if I'm at the grocery store and I see an alocasia or whatever plant it is, and I like it and the price is reasonable, I'm going to get it. You know what I mean? Versus having to just so I can say, oh, I got it from XYZ nursery. It doesn't matter where you get the plant from. It doesn't. You getting it from the nursery doesn't make it better than if I get it from the grocery store. It just doesn't. So anyway, I bought a plant from the grocery store maybe a couple of weeks, a few days ago. Really, it's not. It hasn't even been. No, it's been a week and a half. And I'm in North Carolina, so we have Food Lion. So I was at my Food Lion getting coffee, early in the morning, just getting coffee. But they were unloading plants, y'all. Like, I'm telling you, they had orchids. They just be having stuff. So I just was like, wait a minute. And it's 7 o'clock. As soon as they open, I'm there. And lo and behold, y'all, look at this. I know a lot of people don't like it. This is considered a Dieffenbachia Camouflage. They also call these the dumb canes. I don't know why, but I prefer Dieffenbachia, and because I don't know. But I bought this for $15, y'all. $15 at Food Lion, and I saw this at a nursery for $40, I think. Prior to me seeing it, because I wasn't looking for it. I was there for coffee, but I'm gonna always look at the plant section, and they were just unboxing it. And when I was checking out, one of the employees was like, wait a minute, they have these here? And I said, yes, you better. She was like, do they have any more? I said, I think so. They're putting more out. And I'm like, you work here. You should know what they have. But look at her. Look at her. Well, it's not a her because it's a camouflage. My husband loves this. He's a veteran, Army veteran. And when he saw it, he was like, wait a minute, this is a beautiful plant. He said, I love the variegation or whatever's going on in this plant, the uniqueness of it. So it's a statement piece in the house. So it's in our living room situation, whatever. I had to switch out the money tree because the money tree act like I don't want to be here. So I brought it back into this room because it's just dropping leaves left and right. So I had to replace it. And my money tree was as big as this. So I needed a big statement piece. And so, y'all, let me see if I can get it out this basket, because this is how I have it in the living room. It looks like this, right? Real cute. I have a lot of baskets like this in the living room to give me that boho, bohemian look, that boho. So this is how big it is. This is how big it is, y'all, for $15. You just cannot beat that. 10-inch. Yep. 10-inch pot. Let me see. Yep, $15. $14.99. I always round up. $15, y'all. Woo. You saw how big it is. I mean, let me get it in the frame. Is this not beautiful? Look at her. It's a him. I keep saying her. I might call it Rambo, because my husband loved that movie as a child, and that's what made him want to go into the Army. Not a Green Beret, but special ops. But anyway, Rambo. So this is Rambo, y'all. I just came up with a name. I was going to call it Camille, but because it's a camouflage, it's giving me Navy. I'm not Navy. It's giving me Army. It's giving me military in honor of my husband being a vet and his love for Rambo. As a child, this is Rambo, y'all. This is Rambo. So I got Rambo for $15 at my local grocery store. You can't beat that. That's another way of starting out in this hobby and accumulating and getting you a little forest going on, y'all. Don't be too bougie for the grocery store plants. They just as good, because I saw the same plant at a nice nursery that I frequent all the time. I love that nursery. And yeah, $40 over there versus $15 at your local grocery store. So that's my spiel for y'all to just, go to your grocery store. Don't just go there for food. Right? But I love this plant. Easy peasy. It's an aroid. It's in the aroid family. So I treat it again like my other aroids. It's in a chunky soil. I have not repotted it. So it's still in the soil that it came in. I was trying to get it a chance to acclimate to the ambient air out there, because it's not in here in my room, my plant room, where it's 65% humidity. It's out in the common area in my living room. We have a Malamute, so we keep it kind of cool out there for him with all that hair. So I was trying to get it to acclimate to that atmosphere before I repotted it. So I should be repotting it, I would say, in the next week or two. But it will go into my mixture of the well draining, so the chunky soil mix that I put every of my aroids in. All of my plants are in there. So yes, and it's native to Dieffenbachias are native to like Mexico, the Caribbean, Central America, that area. But this is just actually was created. It's a cultivator. I'm not mad. I mean, it's still an aroid, and it's a plant. A lot of our plants are created, right? You don't find them naturally in nature. Not the camouflage. You won't find this naturally in nature, but it's in the home. It's a plant, and I absolutely love him. I think he is a great statement piece. He is easy. Dumb canes to me are fairly easy anyway. I give them bright and direct light, even in the living room. I do actually have to supplement some lighting because one of my grow lights went out, so I have to replace it. So I'll replace it, but it's going to get the same type of care of my other plants that's in here, whether you're in here in the plant room or out there. But yes, so this is Rambo, and I just really wanted to talk about Rambo right quick so I could show you guys that you can find some really, really good gems at the grocery store. So look how tall it is. Look how big and lush and full it is. Would you not buy this? Let me know in the comment sections. Would you pass this by in the grocery store if you saw it for $15? Like, you can't. You would not pass this by. I hope you wouldn't, because I've seen smaller options for more than $15. So you get more for more bang for your bucks if you look at the grocery stores, y'all. I know I remember seeing some what was it? Philodendron Prince of Orange. Yeah, at grocery stores. I would say over the summer, maybe July. Definitely July, August. I saw them out there. So yeah, get your plants everywhere. And you know me, if I'm trying to find some joy in this world, something to make me happy, and plants make me happy. Plants make my house happy. It doesn't make my husband happy. He's sick of them, but he knows they bring me joy. So he fusses and then gets over it. But he do love this one. He love Rambo. So yeah, let me know if you're in North Carolina. Do you ever look at your grocery stores for plants? Do you buy there? If you have a Food Lion, run there and go get you some. And see what they have. I don't know what they have right now, but go see what they have and get you a couple of plants or whatever and start out. But yes, I think Rambo is a beauty. Yeah, let me know if you have this plant and do you find it to be easy? I know I say it's easy, but you know, I've been a plant mommy for well over 10 years. So, you know what I'm saying? What's easy to me might not be easy to you, but every feeding, fertilizing every time I water it. That's another way. And bright indirect light, because these are tropical plants. Just keep in mind, the majority of your plants are going to be tropical plants. So think tropical environments, right? And the humidity, they thrive better in the humidity that they're accustomed to. So this one will not get the 65% humidity out there, but I think it's 50% out in the regular area, out in our living room. I got to put the meter out there just so I can see, and it's going to be just fine. It's going to have to be. It's going to have to adjust. It's going to have to adjust. Yeah. All right, guys. So this is what I was going to talk about. I'm going to do a video right after this to talk about another plant. So if you see this, yeah, that's what I did. But I wanted to talk about this right quick and let you guys know. All right. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. I appreciate each and every one of my subscribers, and thank you for watching my videos. It means a lot, you know what I mean? Like, this is fun for me. This is fun. I'm having fun. I'm talking about plants. I'm just talking about things that I find joy in. So I'm hoping you guys find joy in this world. Find a hobby. Find something. There's so much going on in this world. Just find something to bring up your mood. You know what I mean? To lift up your mood. You know what I mean? We're coming into a season where, you know, depression kicks in and loneliness and whatnot, because the days are shorter, the light and the nights are longer, right? This is my favorite time of the year. I love fall. Fall is cozy. We're coming upon fall. I don't think it's officially fall yet, but I could tell the change in the atmosphere. My sinuses have been acting up, but yes. So fall is coming, and so just enjoy it. It's I'm not into spooky stuff. I'm a scaredy cat. I don't do horror movies and none of that. I love fall for the leaves, the changing of the leaves, the atmosphere, the comfort, the coziness of it all. So all that other stuff, I don't teach his own, but I just don't, the spooky stuff. I don't want to be scared. Not on purpose. Don't scare me on purpose. But we do have a Halloween party that we have to attend this year, so that should be fun, dressing up. But anyway, yes, I'm rambling, but yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, toodles.